Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1308 and today's topic is plasma, the fourth state of matter. And we should know what is plasma. So if I say plasma and fourth state of matter means on this earth we have only three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solid means the matter which has definite volume and definite shape. Liquid means which has definite volume but no shape. And gaseous state means which is neither having definite shape nor volume. So these three states are there. But the fourth state is the same material or matter once you go on supplying the energy. So first to solid, if you supply the energy, it will be changed into liquid state. Again, if you supply the energy in liquid state, after gaining energy, it will be changed into vapor form, gaseous form. And then again to that gaseous state, if you supply more energy, so that gas will be ionized, and that ionized form, it will be in positive negative ions. Somewhere electron will be donated and somewhere electron will be accepted, and around that in the form of photon there will be flux of plasma. That is plasma. And plasma is having very high amount of energy with charged particle in the form of ions, positive and negative, almost equal number, and at the same time surrounded by electron. And in your space, if I say space means visible space, which our eye can see, the full of star, sun, solar system, is 99% they are all in plasma state. Your sun, the reaction is taking place, that is nuclear fusion. Two isotopes of hydrogen, they are fused together in presence of energy, and during the process of this fusion, huge amount of energy is released. So that type of chain reaction is going on, and it is having so much high intensity of energy that all are in ionic state, gaseous state. So that's why your whole sun is in plasma state, your all stars are in plasma state, and whatever universe we can see by our eye, that is called visible universe. The one which we cannot see is invisible in our visible range. So there are nothing but 90% or 99% in plasma state, and they contain lot of high energy. And if you go above our Earth's surface, after some atmospheric and some other layers, then you will reach to highest level where all are in ionized form and highly energetic. So here if I can say like that, if suppose you have solid, this solid, if you supply energy, it will be changed into liquid. And again if you supply energy, then liquid will be changed into gaseous form. And again here if you supply the energy, then it will be changed into that state where it is ionic state, and it is called plasma state. Plasma state. And plasma state means ions. So here solid is containing less energy. The more energy is supplied, its solid state is changed into liquid state. If again more energy is supplied, then it is changed into gas. And in gas, if again huge amount of energy is supplied, then that will be just like soap type of influx will be there. That will be of positive negative ions surrounded by some electrons, and that influx all together with very high energy content, electromagnetic property, ionic in form, is called your plasma state. And this plasma state, if suppose you remove the energy, if you remove the energy, then it will come down to gaseous state. Again, if you remove the energy, then this gaseous state will come to liquid state. And again, if you remove the energy, then your plasma state, by removing the energy stepwise, can be changed into original matter, that is in the form of solid. So plasma state is high energy state by supplying stepwise to solid, then to liquid, then to gas, and then ionized gas. That is your plasma state with positive negative ions. Somewhere electron is lost, somewhere electron is gained, and they are called subatomic particles. And your matter is made up of nothing but atom, and atoms are having subparticles, that is electron, proton, and neutron. So all these things at very high temperature, they are changed into plasma state, and those are given like a flame or a fire. Flame and fire is also having very high temperature. So that is a form of plasma state. Then star, sun, invisible, visible range are all plasma state. And one more thing is there, that is called aurora borealis. Aurora borealis and ionosphere. Aurora is a Roman goddess. Rome, they had some thousands of years ago, when there was some light between North and South Pole due to some storm and some explosive ions on the sun. So we used to see the beautiful light between North and Pole of Earth. That is called aurora. They used to call aurora borealis. Aurora means the god has appeared. In Roman language, they were calling that it is the god of light. And aurora borealis means north in Roman language. But when science was developed, it was found that it is not the goddess aurora, rather than it is all plasma state, and due to explosion in the sun, that lightning is appearing between north and south. Then lightning, even lightning also, in Stone Age, the people used to run away and they will sacrifice something. In India, they used to sacrifice some 1,000 years ago. Storm and all this lightning, thunderstorm, they used to say that no, our goddess, they are angry. They want some sacrifice. So either they will put some animal or some very costly, precious thing to the river anywhere, so that goddess are pleased. But later on it was discovered that no, it's all plasma state of energy in the form of ions, which are having electromagnetic behavior, and that is discharging in the form of lightning. I am going to show you all this. So this is the clear picture of aurora. What Romans were believing, that it is this light is the god is showing the anger, or God is appearing and showing the light. It was wrong concept. Actually, it was the storm or some other explosive nature of reaction on the sun surface, and those lightning was reflected through in between north and south pole of earth, and that beautiful light what it was shown in the sky close to earth, they were having the impression that it is aurora, north side goddess. This is aurora borealis. Aurora means god, Roman god. Borealis means north. So in the north it used to appear, but actually it is between north and south. It's a very beautiful color, bluish, yellowish tinge, and it will stay there. And once they will see, they will fail to understand because they don't have the concept of plasma state, fourth state of matter, and anything once they are able to explain, they will say it is the form of goddess aurora, and that is in the north. This is exact picture of image of sun in the form of plasma. Plasma means its temperature is so high though that all this material in the form of matters is converted into plasma state, positive negative ions, and in gaseous state surrounded by lot of electron in the form of photon, because now there is quanta bundle of energy, and that is electron in the form of wave and particles. So that is the real plasma state of sun. This is lightning, the discharge of plasma state in ionosphere, and once it is discharged in the form of light, it contains huge amount of energy in the form of lightning, and it is nothing but it is the fourth state of matter in the form of electrical discharge in the form of lightning in the sky where they are already existing. So here I have given in the form of summary the fourth state of matter, that is called plasma state, and previously I have already shown you the process how the simple matter, that is in three states, solid, liquid, gas, can be converted into plasma state by gaining huge amount of energy, and it will become highly energetic and in the form of positive and negative ions surrounded by electron. That is your plasma state. So number one, plasma state of matter is different from the three states of matter such as solid, liquid and gas. The plasma is often called the fourth state of matter because plasma state is not found on the earth. All objects we see on the earth are in three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. In many cases, solid like copper, silver and gold may be changed into plasma state if huge amount of energy is supplied. Number two, we know substance exists in solid, liquid and gaseous state at certain temperature and pressure, but the changes to liquid if it is heated with a flame, and again the liquid changes into vapor, that is gaseous state, again when it is heated more, and if more energy is supplied, then a point will reach where gas will be ionized, and that this amount of heat is known as heat of ionization, the heat which can convert gaseous atoms in the form of ions, that is positive and negative ions, that is called the ionization heat. And now we have created soap of ions and electrons, and this soap of ions and electrons together is called plasma state of matter, that is fourth state of matter. Number three, so the plasma state is ionized gaseous state which is composed of nearly equal number of positive and negative ions, and the ionizing process divide the molecule and atoms of the gas into separate electrons and ions, And so the plasma can simply be defined as a large collection of approximately positive and negative ions along with electron. That is the plasma state. And all in the universe, I have already demonstrated their image and photos about the lightning, about the north light, what they aurora, the Romans, they were believing it is God. Even lightning, they were believing in God. But it's all whatever is happening in the space, 99%, that is because of the fourth state of matter, that is plasma state. So now in the year 2024, now today is 30th, we are very close to 2025. There are a lot of advanced technologies of plasma state. We have plasma TV, plasma electrical devices, lot of equipments which are based on plasma state. So I am going to discuss one by one. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.